Hey flawless king, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very fantastic topic to talk about, and that is how the skin gets whiter over time and its mechanism. So if this is something that you would like to learn or you're curious about, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Hey flawless king, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Saleh Khalil and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer. I create I keep saying weekly. I create daily videos now on skincare DIYs, skincare product reviews. I teach you one or two things about your skin, about the skin's anatomy, the science behind formulation, and everything that has to do with skincare and beauty. So if this is something that you are interested in, please join the family and we will be very, very happy to have you here. So today we are talking about the mechanism of skin whitening and how the skin gets whiter over time. So if you have been wondering how your skin actually gets whiter when you use skin whitening products, then this video is for you. Now, before we dive into the topic of today, let's first understand why some people may want to whiten or lighten their skin. Now, skin whitening has been a beauty standard or a beauty ideal in so many cultures for centuries. Now, it is important to note that all skin types or all skin tones are beautiful and unique and should be celebrated. However, we believe in providing information for those who are curious about this topic. So don't think that we are trying to promote that a whiter skin or a brighter skin is better. That's far from it. We're just trying to provide informative or educational content or information on this topic for those of you who are curious and would like to learn more about this topic. So how does the skin actually get whiter over time? Well, it all starts with a pigment called melanin. I think I did a video similar to this one sometime. You can go back and watch that video as well to get more in-depth information about this topic. Now, melanin is responsible for the color of our hair, the color of our eyes, and the color of our skin. And these melanin are produced by a cell called melanocytes, and these cells are located in the epidermis of our skin. And the epidermis of our skin is basically the outer layer of the skin. Now, if you like more information on this topic, I also have a video where I talked about the skin barrier and the different layers of the skin and all of that. I'm going to look for that video and leave it here for you guys to watch. Or if you would like to go in depth and understand the science behind skincare formulation and how it relates to the anatomy of the skin and how all skincare products actually work to give the results that you are getting or you would like to get, then you should join any of our skincare formulation courses. We have courses for beginners, we have courses for intermediate, and we have courses for advanced. We also have courses where you tell us what you want us to teach you and we will create your unique course for you that will fit your problem area. We also have group trainings that are coming up. We have our skin whitening products group training. In this training, we're going to be teaching you 4 different skin whitening products that have efficacy data, and you can beat your chest and tell your customers that this product will give you certain results in a certain period of time. So if you would like to learn more about these courses or any of our skincare courses, then send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar and we will give you all the information that you need. Now, when our skin is exposed to sun, the UV rays stimulates the production of melanin. This is our body's defense mechanisms against the harmful effect of UV radiation. Now, melanin acts as a shield which absorbs and disperses UV rays, protecting the deeper layers of the skin. However, over time, continuous exposure to the sun or the UV rays of the sun can lead to an uneven distribution of melanin. This can cause dark spots, pigmentations, an uneven skin complexion or skin tone, basically an overall dull complexion. This is where your skin whitening products come into play. Now, there are various methods and products out there in the market that can help in achieving a brighter and a more even skin tone. For example, we have our skin tone enhancing body cream, which is packed with skin whitening actives that are proven effective to have more than one whitening mechanism. Now, there are some skincare actives that have the ability to reduce the production of melanin, which will just basically brighten your skin and just try to disperse and properly distribute the melanin that is produced by your skin. And there are also skin whitening products that help to stop the production of melanin and also reduce the distribution of melanin. And this is where skin whitening comes in. Like I said, if you want to learn more, you want to understand these things in depth and have an intimate understanding of how this actually works, join our upcoming skin whitening class. We will teach you everything that you need to know and why some skin whitening actives are bad for you and why some other ones give a better result. So send us a WhatsApp message if you would like to learn more about this topic. Now, it is very important to note that skin whitening should be done responsibly. Now, like I said earlier, there are different mechanisms, there are different ways that your skin can become whiter. There are different ways that your skin can become brighter, but make sure you are using these skin whitening treatments responsibly. Don't abuse it so you don't have issues in the future. So if you want to learn more, join that class. The class is just 50,000 naira, and we're giving you 4 different recipes with formulas. We're not just giving you the recipes, we're giving you formulas. So you're taking home 4 different formulas and recipes, and also videos on how to make those products. Now, like I said earlier, there are different mechanisms for skin whitening. We have melanin production, we have tyrosine inhibition, we have melanosome transfer, we also have pigment dispersion, we have skin cell turnover. We have so many of them, and we're going to be touching each and every one of them in our upcoming training, teaching you the in-depth understanding, giving you an in-depth understanding of the mechanism of skin whitening and why some of these skin whitening products don't really give you the kind of result that you want, and why some of them also give you dark knuckles and just basically pigmentations that are clustered somewhere and causing unevenness on your skin. So make sure you don't miss this course. It's for you if you want to improve your skin whitening products and give your customers the result that they want to get. Now, it is important to note that the mechanism of skin whitening can vary depending on the specific treatment and products that are used. Additionally, individual factors such as your ethnicity, your genetics, your skin type, and the environment you live in can influence the effectiveness of skin whitening methods. So it is important to consult a skincare formulator who knows what they are doing to create a personalized skincare product that will fit your skin condition, skin type, ethnicity, and your environment. Now, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every time we put out a new video. Now, remember that taking care of your skin is about maintaining its health and radiance and not necessarily conforming to societal beauty standards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out. And I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye.